Hi, it's Art Humphrey. Today we're going to do a quick video on how to maintain your welding helmets and the consumables. A quick discussion about the cheater lenses for the magnification for those of us who wear glasses. So we have our example today is the two helmets that we have, and one of them is a Miller and the other one's a Jackson. And in the discussion we'll talk about the plastic cleaner we use, which has to be a Sprayway brand 848. So, and then the issue is that buying the lenses, being both plastic and stuff for the cheater side, and then how we're going to take the hoods apart and then clean the material and put them back together. The Jackson and the plastic in the Miller. So let's go through some of the details now. First off, cleaning the lens, taking this apart. This comes out from the inside of the Miller welding helmet, and the Jackson comes in from the outside. So that's how the two units are. Now both of them are clean, they're ready to go back together. To put the Miller back together, we pick up the lens part and the auto darkening and turn it so that the knobs are on the inside. Hook it in the little tab in the top, drop it down in there, and then it's got the two little tabs in the bottom. Walk those in. And the lens is back together, so I have a clean faceplate in, which I put in first, and now this one is ready to go. Now, both of the hoods come with the auto sensitivity, how quick they dart and how hard they darken, and the shade that they actually go. So, and both of them use similar batteries, so there's not an issue there. And oh, by the way, always check your batteries, and don't be afraid to change them on a fairly regular basis. They're not that expensive to change the little batteries that go in here, little 20 watt errors. So anyway, that takes care of the Miller. Now to do the Jackson, I take the part, knobs go to the inside, it slides in, snaps into place. Then I take the lens on the outside and hook it in so that it goes together easily. And then I take the outside, hook it in the bottom, press it in, and I like to manually go in and pick the little tabs at the very top and put those in there, make sure that they lock in place and stuff like that. So that puts that together. Now, I want to talk now about the lenses. So this is a plastic lens, and hopefully you can see there's minor little scratches in it. Now this has been taken really good care of, and we take it out and use super soft cloths to wash it. Now the glass is, if you look at them side by side, you can tell the glass is a lot more efficient as far as cleanliness and clarity. So my suggestion is that whenever you have a choice, I'd recommend a little more expensive helmet that you can use a glass lens in rather than plastic. Now for safety's sake, some people say glass might be a little more dangerous than plastic, but I've never had an issue with glass, and you hopefully don't either, but plastic is an option, and it is cheaper than glass, but I still prefer glass over the two. So my suggestion is look at what you want to do and make your own decisions, but do if you can, try the opportunity to use glass. Look to the glass a little bit and weld, especially in TIG welding when you're really trying to watch that puddle real carefully when welding aluminum and aluminum housing. So in the meantime, hey, thanks, all for now. Thank you for watching the videos. We'd appreciate if you'd subscribe. Leave us notes and comments. If you have anything in particular you'd like to discuss, leave it in the comments section. We'd be glad to respond. And we appreciate your time. Enjoy the videos, and thank you for being with us.